Can you give me a pop? Oh my gosh. Well, we're in a bass zone here, London. What's that? Oh, there's a fish below us. Oh, there's a whole bunch right here. Oh, there's tons of this big school of bass down here. I got one. There's a big school of bass in the weeds right here, guys. What's that?
I lost a minnow. What do I do, Dad?
Oh, there's a one following. There's two following me up, and I got one on the line.
No, this is terrible.
It is terrible. Look at this big bass. Look at, there's 3 bass down here. 4 bass.
But they still go on my line. This is...
Yeah, drop it down.
Okay.
Look at this big monster.
I don't have a minnow though.
That's fine. Just drop it down.
They're not gonna catch on to it.
Getting a bass into a canoe is not actually the easiest thing. Oh, he just, look at the one just attacked the one. That just, look at this big monster.
Oh my God! Don't put it near me, Dad.
Oh.
Oh, good job. Now I have to catch a fish. I could have caught a fish, but I lost my stupid minnow. Oh, I think they're gone now, Dad.
No way. Oh, there's another one back here. It's following my line. Got him.
Go, Dad. Dad caught a giant one.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, I don't have one. I had one. I had one.
We'll back it up a little bit, hey, London?
What?
Backing it up in the weeds a little bit.
Yeah.
There's like, I seen probably like 10 or 12 of them went down there.
There's even a minnow on the ground. It would be easier to catch them if I had a minnow. I caught one.
Yeah, totally. I just caught one without a minnow. Totally, eh?
That would be nice. Hey, just slow me down. They can't bite me.
Throw you down?
Yeah, then I'll just hold on to the thing.
You can just catch them in your hands.
Just give me a pair of goggles.
I hope I got all those fish on camera.
I think it's just a weed. I don't think I got a fish.
Yes,
That's just a sea pickle.
a sea pickle.
Yeah.
Nice. There's no sea pickles here, London. Only lake pickles.
Can I paddle us away again? There's the rock again.
Just a sec.
Sure.
You're doing a great job, London.
Thank you.
There's lots of sea pickles here, eh?
I know, right? So many sea pickles.
Oh, that's what I thought the fish was. We don't call it a little weed. Yeah.
On a sea pickle?
Oh, there's a big thing of sea
Fish
pickles.
right there. There's a fish right there. There's a fish right there.
Where? Oh, I got one following me. Pretty little bass.
There's a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was so cool.
Oh, you got him.
Oh, it's a big walleye. No, wait. It's a bass. What is it? It's a bass. Oh my God. There's 3 of them down there. There's like a whole bunch of big ones going crazy below us.
There's two right there.
There's one right below me too, guys. That's a big one, see?
What do I do?
You grab it by its lip, or you stick your hand under the belly of it.
Wait, can someone get it off now? I want a picture.
You have to right now.
I got a picture of you. If you can get it, yeah.
I need some help.
Yeah, beauty.
You have to turn around. Hurry up. You grab.
I can't do it.
Okay. Sadie's fish.
Hold on. Turn it to the side.
Sadie's fish.
Perfect, beauty. And it's cool that you've seen it, eh?
There were like 3 or 4 of them right there.
Yeah, the one that I caught. Oh, I need a big thing.
Oh, oh, look at there's 2 right here, London. Just follow me up. There's 3 of them.
We're gonna run into the rocks though.
Don't worry about it, London. We're in the Iron Giant.
Let them do it.
Well, you had one.
You did catch one. You had a big one on, London.
Yeah. What did you have on your face? Oreo crumbs?
Probably.
Or just wearing black lipstick? Okay, stop shaking.
So is that it? Are we minnowed out?
Oh, there's 2 more minnows. Okay.
Well, we know now that even without a minnow, we can catch a fish.
Totally.
So,
Bass are so much fun to catch. Ooh, what's that right there?
that one there?
Nope.
You want?
Oh, I got a weed, guys. Didn't even tell me. Caught London's weed.
London, she's setting you up, eh?
No, I'm hooking everybody up. Nope.
Oh, look at this right here, London. There's a big fish coming after the canoe. Right there. Look at the big one right there.
I don't see it.
Oh my gosh, it's gone. Oh, here comes another one. Look at London. Look at. I got 2 going after my hook. See him?
Yeah.
Hey, is that super cool?
There's a good contender right here.
Oh, we got him.
Go, Dad! Go! Yay! Oh, you don't got it yet.
No. Ah.
Man! Hang on, come to me now.
What? If you would like to go with me, try to fish.
Like, that's my first day touching a fish.
Oh, that's a big one.
Hey,
Can I see?
my other one is way bigger.
Really?
Oh yeah, it was huge.
Yep.
I have my. Oh shit! I got a fish. Oh no, I got you. Ah, no.
Goodbye, fish.
Oh, you didn't have a fish, guys.
Did you?
Or a weed. One or the other.
No, I saw a fish. I saw a fish.
You saw one?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just like coming up from the bottom. Imagine that.
Dad, I think catching a fish.
Oh, there's one right here swimming right to us. It's following us. It's like, check out that canoe. I sure hope you could see all these fish on this camera. Because wouldn't that be super cool?
I guess not that
We're out of the fish zone.
Dad,
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
What? It's hard. It's just blowing around. You got one, London?
Looks like it.
Oh yeah. Hold on to your rod. Hold on to it. Don't.
it's gone.
No, it's not. I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lift. Let's just lift up.
I can't.
Just lift up.
I'm trying.
Oh, you got a good one.
You okay? Or do you want to paddle up there?
Maybe help paddle up there. Hold on to it, London. Don't get pulled in the lake. You'll be covered in sea pickles.
need to bring the shiner net.
Oh. Here, lift that up.
Do it, Lennon.
Help!
Come on.
It's right there. Your line's all tangled in there and your rod too. Oh, you're good. Just T-boned it.
Watch.
Whoa.
Saw it.
Help!
There.
It's jumping.
Nice one.
Whoa.
What's that?
It's
You want to
small.
hold it, Lennon?
No.
By the lip?
No.
You want to hold it? You want to lip it?
You sure?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Is it spiky?
Nope. It's like kind of feels like sandpaper,
Oh.
but very fine sandpaper. Here, just put your hand in and feel it a little bit.
No? Okay.
Wait.
Whoa,
gotta
we
let
got to put
go.
it back in the water.
Okay, that's fine.
Bye-bye, fish.
That was pretty super duper exciting, eh?
Fish so far. One walleye and then one bass.
Okay, I just caught one, I think. Didn't I?
Yeah. You got one.
Okay, watch out.
My line.
You're caught on the paddle.
Yeah.
And then you're twisted at the
And you need a minnow.
Okay, and give him paddle over this one. Watch Sadie's face.
Just
No.
hook the canoe.
No, don't do that.
Cast in the thing.
Just paddle this way. Hold this way. London, just watch that you don't hook and twister with that. You don't have to do that right now. Set it down. Just pull straight towards
I'm trying to, but it's not working.
the wheel. There you go.
Maybe that was that bass that was following Sade, London.
Yeah.
Because there's a big bass following the canoe. It's like,
Now pull up.
whoa! It's like the best canoe I've ever seen. The big iron giant.
London.
Let's check
that.
Fish. There's fish.
There are fish everywhere, London.
Yeah, fish.
London.
She didn't steal nothing. I'm the one that pointed it out.
There's a whole bunch of fish on my back. What, Mom? Now, why are we going not where the fish go? There's a whole bunch of fish over there. Dad,
But
why are we over here?
I'm looking for fish.
But the fish were over there. There was like 3 fish in my thing.
Do you have a minnow on? Oh, reel it up, London. Oh yeah, look at that. You got a good one. Oh, you got 2 there. Double header on one line. Bring it over here. Oh, I can't. I better not walk over to you. Look, you got a walleye.
What?
Yeah.
I have a walleye.
What are you doing with the walleye?
I don't know.
Good one.
Okay.
The bass is like, what's that walleye doing in my neighborhood?
I had a fish, but now it's gone.
Let's check this weed bed out.
Where?
Right ahead of you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's one right there. I get so excited.
Oh my god, you're shaking the boat because
Oh, he's gonna go after my. Oh, he's got it. No, he missed it. He didn't like it. I got him. Oh. I pulled it right out of his mouth. What a crazy guy.
not a boat, but a thing. Dad, can I paddle?
Yeah, you can paddle us.
Okay.
You're gonna run into the rocks, London.
What?
You gotta run into the rocks.
This way?
No, the fish are back that way.
Well, I don't know what to do.
Definitely don't paddle us into the rocks.
I'm trying.
Just kidding. there's no fish here. Keep paddling till you get us to some fish. They're like right about where you're gonna be, Sade. There should be like, you should be entering some fish area, some fishy spots.
Is that good?
Yeah. Sarah, do you want to try my glasses out?
Wait, can I try them?
Mm-mm.
Please?
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it chasing your line?
No, I'm chasing it.
You're chasing the fish?
Yeah.
With your line?
Yeah. I'm surprised it's not trying to eat it.
You have something? I don't know what the line was bouncing.
Dad is right there. Right there. Oh, it's just chasing the line.
Was it?
Dad, paddle that way.
Which way?
That way. There's a fish.
Okay, I'm trying.
Go, go. There's a fish.
I don't see any fish, London.
There's a fish over there.
I think it's these glasses.
It is.
Do you see it?
Where's my fish? Oh, is that it? No, I don't think that's it.
Yeah, we need to get, oh, there's a fish.
It's cool, those, eh?
Yeah, right down here. See?
Just take my fish, Dad. Paddle that way.
Hold on, there's gonna be more down here.
No, Dad, you need to paddle that way. My fish is over there.
There's just some big bruisers out here, eh? It's a big monster.
My fish is over there. My fish is over there. Please bring me.
Oh my God, there's a giant right below us eating.
Right?
He's taking my fish.
That's those glasses.
Me.
Right past my phone. Going that way soon.
I'm on it, London. Oh, Sadie's got one. Sadie's got weeds. Yeah, there's some, you can see them perfect with those, eh? You can't see nothing with these. I can't even see London.
Even Dad, I know.
Yeah, you okay, Steve?
You're fine.
Just swam right past my thing.
He's like, what do you got a minute one or what?
Yeah, it's the last minnow we got.
Oh my gosh. I know they don't like this thing too much. Ooh, I got one. I got him. I got the big one.
Taking.
I got him. It's not a big one at all.